This is the time where I tell you how glad I am to be back. And how this beautiful box I created to try and pretend like I wasn't using a sample is absolutely useless now. This song's called Toy Boy, and it's from my new EP.